You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this French expression meaning on edge. So when somebody is kind of really nervous or almost angry, and it would take just a little bit to get them really upset. Okay, so that's what it means. A fleur de peau, literally meaning to the flower of the skin, which kind of doesn't really make sense, but it means on the edge of the skin essentially. So people are just really nervous or angry. A fleur de peau, a fleur de peau. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.